Hey, I'm back, and so I'm sorry I forgot this to what you need, but you need about a foot long, a foot or a foot 3 inches of toilet paper, and you also need baking soda. So you pour some baking soda on there, just a little bit, not too much, and well, not too little either. And so then you wrap it up. Here, let me just set the camera down for a second. Okay, almost done. And you also need to fold in the sides on it so it doesn't fall out. Do that probably one more time. Okay, so there we go. I made this. It's just just baking soda, and rolled it up into some toilet paper. Make it small enough so you can fit it in the bottle. And let's go do a shooting test.